Magandang araw, Kamunti! Na-miss nyo ba ako? Since extended ang filing at payment ng annual ITR hanggang May 15, ating pag-usapan ang mga guidelines in filing of annual income tax returns and payment of corresponding taxes due thereon for calendar year 2025. For filing of tax returns, taxpayers are reminded of the existing procedures for the electronic filing of tax returns through the following BIR electronic platforms. First, Electronic Filing and Payment System, or EFPS. Second, Offline EBIR Forms Package version 7.9.5. Third, through tax software providers certified by BIR. For payment of taxes naman, una, gamit ang Electronic Filing and Payment System or EFPS to be used by taxpayers mandated to use the system or to those who voluntarily opt to enroll. Second, through electronic payment or e-payment gateways such as Land Bank of the Philippines, Link, BIS Portal, Union Bank of the Philippines, Online, or the Portal Payment Facilities, Development Bank of the Philippines, PayTax Online, or through its partner TSPs, namely MYEG, using credit card or electronic wallets such as GCash, Maya, GrabPay, or Shopee Pay, or through Maya. Third, through over-the-counter with any authorized agent banks. Thank you, Kamunti! Let's have a great filing season together. Hanggang sa muli!